Keeping your contacts organized makes it much easier to call, email, and stay connected with the people who matter most. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Contacts, create and edit contacts, organize them with labels, merge duplicates, and sync everything across your devices. So first, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. If you're not already signed in, just log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your saved contacts listed on the main page. Next, click the Create Contact button. Enter the person's first name, last name, phone number, email address, and any other details you'd like to save. When everything looks good, click Save. Now, if you ever need to update someone's information, just open their contact and click the Edit icon. Make your changes, then save them. If you want to remove a contact instead, open the More Actions menu and choose Delete. You can also organize your contacts using labels. Select one or more contacts, click the label icon, then create a new label or choose an existing one. This makes finding specific groups much faster later. If you notice duplicate contacts, Google Contacts can clean them up for you. Open the Merge and Fix section from the left menu. Google will suggest duplicate entries that you can merge with just one click. You can also import contacts from another service by using the Import option and selecting your file. And if you want a backup, choose Export to download your contacts in the format you need. Since Google Contacts syncs with your Google account, your updates automatically appear on your Android devices and other signed-in apps. So that's it. You now know how to use Google Contacts to manage, organize, and back up your contacts. Once everything is synced, keeping your contact list updated becomes really simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching.